Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is looking real rough. I need to do something with this mop on my head. You know, I let it air dry. I washed it earlier today, but now it's time to straighten it because I'm just tired of waking up and just having either a bun or some crazy, nothing crazy, but you know, like, I don't know. My hair is just looking insane. I honestly need to do the big chop because your girl has some dead ends. It's just not for me. Okay, so today we're gonna straighten it, which I also should stop doing, but you know, it's okay. Like, it's okay. So first, what I'm going to do is part my hair down the middle so that I can have two parts. You don't necessarily need to do this. I just do it because I have very thick hair. So I part it in two parts and I clip it up, and then I part this part of my head in two. So at the end, I'll have 4 parts. Make sense? Y'all, my face is really breaking out. Like, this isn't okay. I don't know what's going on. I've been asking Justice, like, babe, like, have I been eating crazy? I really don't know. But then I'm gonna take a Y2 comb and I'm just gonna make sure that I get all my little knots and nags out. Yeah. If you guys have done the big chop, tell me how I should go about it because I'm extremely nervous. Like, I'm attached to my hair and I don't know, like, I'm just real nervous about even thinking about cutting my hair off to any extent. Really nervous. You're going to comb through your hair and make sure that we get all those naps out. And you see it just grows and grows. My hair is extremely thick. So after doing so, I'm going to take my TRESEMMÉ heat tamer. It is amazing. I recommend this. I use this on Justice's hair. I've been using it on her hair for 3 years. I use it on my hair. I've been using it on my hair for like 5+ years. It is such a good heat protectant. This product I live by. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it at the roots, splitting in between, and spraying down to the ends. And we are going to make sure that our hair is as saturated as it can be with the heat protectant because we are trying to protect our hair from heat. After doing so, you are going to grab your flat iron and you're going to make sure that it is on. We're gonna put that to the side because I am first going to blow dry my hair. And right now I've just been using the Red Professional 24,000 Tourmaline ceramic blow dryer, and I use this tooth on the blow dryer. Excuse all the traffic outside. People, you guys should be home. I mean, we're being quarantined for a reason, but whatever. And then we begin blow drying. So this is gonna be really loud. I'm going to repeat this process, these steps, over my entire head, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so one side is blow dried. You can still see some kinks in it. I am not gonna go over it again because I want to use the least amount of heat that I possibly can because I am going to go over it with my flat iron after this. So I'm going to move on to the next side and I'll be back. done blow drying. We're gonna move on to our next step. I am using the generic Chi flat iron. I got this from my local beauty supply store probably like 6 years ago, and it hasn't let your girl down. I put it on 400 degrees because I just do. I don't like going over my hair more than once or twice, so like no more than twice. So I definitely set it to a high temperature because I just want to make sure that my hair is going to be straightened, and boom. So yeah. So again, I'm going to make sure that I have the part because I'm going to put them back in my banana clips. I've already sprayed it with the heat tamer, so I don't want to oversaturate my hair, because if you overly saturate your hair with the heat tamer, or the heat protectant rather, it's going to create a lot of oil, and my hair is extremely oily. Like my scalp, my hair can't be straight for longer than like 2 weeks without my scalp being like itchy. We just don't want too much oil sitting on our scalp. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a small portion, and you can use your rat tail comb, and I am going to take the flat iron and I'm going to go over my hair, and boom. That's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna be doing this around my entire head. Look at that, y'all. So shiny, flowy, and healthy. Okay guys, so we're finally done with one side. As you guys can see, it's flowy, it's healthy, and it's straight. Compared to this side, it flattens out a lot. So we're going to do the next side. It's only been about 20 minutes since I did this side, and it's gonna be another 20 minutes while I do this side. So I'll be back. Don't burn me.
Ooh, girl, I'm getting you right.
And it's hot. Baby, you gotta go to the root.
The root?
Yeah, it
Let me
still looks poofy.
Okay, let me go to the root. Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
I'm going to take my pink spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit so I can give a little shine, but not too much because it is oil, and I'll be back with my final look. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I think it came out great. It's all straight, and I'm gonna wrap it up for the night. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you do when you're straightening your hair. Baby, what do you think?
I think you look fine, girl.
Thanks, babe. And what should they be doing?
Like, comment, share with everybody.
And subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Stay tuned for the next video.